Bukit Lawang is a small village with a few markets and restaurants. It borders the Gunung Leuser National Park, which is home to critically endangered rhinos, tigers, elephants and orangutans. We would go on a jungle trek to see the orangutans, spending one night in the jungle. We stayed at the Junia Guesthouse, where the friendly staff invited us for drinks as they performed a selection of Bukit Lawang's greatest hits. They also provided us with our jungle guide, Cee Lo, who would take us on our jungle trek.
Walking in jungle, see the animal, walking together in Bukit Lawang, singing together, laughing together, everything together in Bukit Lawang except toilet. Jungle trek in Bukit Lawang. See the monkey, see the bird, see orangutan, baby. Jungle trek in Bukit Lawang. See the monkey, see the bird, see orangutan. Walking in jungle, see the animal, walking together in Bukit Lawang, singing together, laughing together, everything together in Bukit Lawang except toilet.
Betul. Ada orang betul. Ah.
Oh yeah. You see, Andre. Oh my God.
Hey, buddy. You can come here.
We had only been hiking for an hour when we spotted two orangutans. Cee Lo didn't recognize these orangutans. This means they were probably born in the wild, but their parents may have lived in captivity or have experienced close human interactions, which may have altered their behavior, making them semi-wild. Soon, we would continue our jungle trek to look for more orangutans. Cee Lo warned us of an aggressive orangutan named Mina, who has a bad habit of biting tourists and guides. We would keep our senses on high alert.
Jungle trek in Bukit Lawang. See the monkey, see the bird, see orangutan, baby. Jungle trek in Bukit Lawang. See the monkey, see the bird, see orangutan. See the monkey, see the Mina, everybody run!
Our guide had spotted Mina. 20 years ago, Cee Lo was bitten by Mina, sending him to hospital. Mina is now known to have bitten 25 people. We didn't want to add to that figure, and were fairly nervous.
Let's go down.
Okay. Down here.
Yeah.
Follow the route. I will handle it.
Down here.
Yeah.
Going there.
Mina had a sad backstory, which probably led to her aggression, and this aggression had split us from our guide. After being separated for about 15 minutes, Cee Lo gave her some bananas so she would let us reunite. This was regrettable, as it discourages wild behaviour.
We can see her.
So if I don't do that, he comes to you, he bites you.
Bite you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm the backpack.
I don't have a backpack.
Him.
Oh,
Look at that.
is she going to bite me?
Yeah, sure.
Why? I don't have a backpack.
Oh, it's free.
So here's the backpack. So we have to give banana. Sorry, yeah.
Oh my God. Wait, Angela, again.
I'm really sorry.
Why are you sorry?
About that, he not, yeah.
This is amazing.
Anyway.
So anyway, the backpack, that's the problem, the backpack. More closer, even not. And she already 42 years old. She already grandma. The human killed her mother. Come, going up the tree, we can relax you. So now you know Mina. Or Mina. The mother. Yeah. Or his daughter. Yeah. And the second daughter, she already had child.
That one, right.
No, nothing here, already be alone. Because the other one is still 10 years old. And 4 years old later, they have to settle to Mongolia.
Yeah. Mina had now calmed down, and we were able to watch her and her children for about half an hour before continuing our jungle trek.
Cute little baby.
Have a good day in Sumatra, in the jungle track in Bukit Lawang. What an episode, an elephant walking, all the staring orangutan. And we'll keep on calling, say, we gotta keep on rolling, sing, rolling, 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 rolling on the river. Have a good day in Sumatra, oh yeah. But an episode, an elephant walking, always staring orangutan. On we'll keep on calling, say, we gotta keep on rolling, say, rolling, 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 rolling on the river. Rafting on the river, smoking, walkie-talkie. Thank you.
Having hiked for 7 hours up, down and through the jungle, Cee Lo dragged us across the river to our camp. Our tent was pitched on extremely firm ground on top of a few rocks. It was uncomfortable, but would do for the night. Except from this, the hospitality was excellent. We would stay here until lunch of the next day, when we would tube back to Bukit Lawang.
Oh, it's okay. It was a leech.
Rasa berat beban hidup. Ku tak mau ngangon babi. Mama, I come from England. Oh yeah. Mama, I come to Bukit Lawang. What are you doing? good, man. I am trekking jungle walk, mama. So good. I am jumping down the river. I am trekking jungle walk, mama. I am rafting down the river. Every morning I have breakfast. What? Banana pancake.
What you like?
A toast scrambled egg. Gado. A banana porridge. Mama, I love Sumatra. Oh God, so beautiful. Mama, I don't wanna go. I am trekking jungle walk, mama. I am swimming down the river. I am trekking jungle walk, mama. I am taking Malarafield. Every morning I get breakfast. What you get breakfast this morning?
Vegetable omelets.
Vegetable omelette. Yeah. Banana pancake.
Why not? With coklat ya.
Toast scrambled egg. Bersalad jumbo. Bloody cold beer. Kurasa berat. Beban hidupku. Ku tak mau. Jangan tadi. Ku tak mau.
Our time in Bukit Lawang had flown by, but it was time well spent. If you have more time, you can trek deeper into the rainforest, or you can try your luck on a grassland trek, searching for elephants and rhinos. Unfortunately, we were out of time, and had probably used up all our luck. We left Bukit Lawang delighted with what we had seen. We would now take a long journey to Lake Toba.